Fresh Start Credit Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Fresh Start Credit Repair Review, where I'll share everything you need to know about this credit repair service. For your convenience, I've included links to the product in the description below. Fresh Start Credit Repair is designed for individuals who are looking to rebuild their financial reputation by addressing inaccuracies and negative items on their credit reports. Whether you're dealing with late payments, collections, charge-offs, or even identity theft issues, this service aims to help you regain control and improve your credit score. The process begins with a comprehensive credit analysis where Fresh Start reviews your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They identify errors, outdated information, and unverifiable negative items. From there, they create a personalized action plan and handle the disputes directly with creditors and credit bureaus on your behalf. A key feature of Fresh Start Credit Repair is its emphasis on education and empowerment. In addition to resolving inaccuracies, they provide actionable advice on managing your credit effectively, such as optimizing credit utilization, setting up payment reminders, and building positive credit history. Their focus on long-term credit health ensures that you not only see immediate improvements, but also maintain strong financial habits moving forward. Fresh Start is particularly well-suited for individuals who are preparing for major financial milestones, like buying a home or securing a car loan, and need to clean up their credit reports to qualify for better terms. Their transparent pricing and step-by-step updates make the process straightforward and stress-free. In my experience, Fresh Start Credit Repair delivers a reliable, results-driven service for people ready to tackle their credit challenges. If you're tired of dealing with credit report errors or simply want expert guidance to improve your financial standing, this service is worth considering. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started on your path to a better financial future.